me and my wife found an app that identifies what kind of plant you have. Let's try this on this plant. We know that this is an old lady cactus, Mammillaria haniana. Okay, let's check. Let's try it if it works. Did it work? Yeah, it worked. It says old lady cactus. Yeah? But it doesn't work all the time. Let's check another one. Okay, let's try this. We know that this is Anacampseros. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, it worked. Anacampseros. Wow. Okay, let's find last one. Let's try it last one. And this is our last test. We all know that this is a Livingstone lithos. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. So it works most of the time. When we tried it yesterday, it only worked. It did not work only in one plant.